Well, hey guys, what's up? It's your boy AL Legends, and today I am doing, you can say, a test series. So, if you guys like it the way I do it, because I got the idea not from any YouTuber, but from the YouTubers of Dragon Ball, the Damin. His videos are quite good. You can say that it could be the best that I have seen ever. So, you guys can also check out his channel. He often make videos on Dragon Ball Z. So I put the idea. You can say I gained the idea from where. So without further ado, let's get into this video. And this video is what if Naruto was trained by AR Legends. So now let's get back into this video. So if you guys like it, I will make the next part of it. Otherwise, you can say it goodbye. But anyways, the story will begin like this. I will be working on my house in the real world, of course, as from the Dragon Ball superheroes who will arrive, and I will be shocked to see a character of Dragon Ball Supers here, and that will be quite shocking for me. And he will told me that I have a lot of knowledge on Naruto world, so he want to test out a theory because now he want to change the history and as well as the future of Naruto words instead of just Dragon Ball Z. So he will tell me that he will make me a type of Senju and give me knowledge of a lot of jutsus and send me in Naruto world to see that how things will go there. And sorry for this photo, it's the photo of Gogeta. I am not that big of YouTuber so that I can make a anime version of myself or a photo of it. So I will use this Gogeta photo. So I hope that you guys like it. So he will send me into the Naruto verse. As before I could say anything, I will be in Naruto verse. I will be stunned because it has never happened like this to any YouTuber. But I'm happy about it still. And I'm more grateful that I am not an Uchiha. Otherwise, Itachi was going to kill me anyways. But anyways, I opened my eyes to see that I am in Narutoverse as these are the streets of Konoha. I will be shocked because I don't understand a thing. But I still remember what Fu told me that I will be like a Senju and have a lot of jutsus. So I will also have the wood style. But one thing I would like to tell you guys that this story will not be around me. It will be just like I will be training the characters so that story can play out differently. But I'm definitely not going to fight a lot here or going to defeat Madara or Ten Tails, Obito. No, I'm not going to do any of that. Just random missions time to time. But anyways, I will be shocked. But I started to think fast. First of all, I don't have a damn place here to live. And second of all, Uchiha massacre has already happened, so I cannot stop it either way. And third, how am I going to be in the ninja world where people kill each other for no reason at all? As second and fourth reason is that Ambu are going to detect me anyway. So I have to make some plan to stay into the village. I know that I'm a Senju now in this world, so I will be respected a lot and I will be welcomed into the village. But they will try to put me in CRA. But me being so honest person, I will not be in that CRA anyways. So don't worry. But anyways, after some time passes and I will see that a boy was getting beaten up by several people as something clicked in my mind that will be obviously one boy, none other than Naruto. I will run there with quite incredible speed, shocking myself as well because my body was built up like a shinobi. As I will be not the age of 40 like Gogeta here. I will be, you can say 16, 15. That is the most I will be look like in this world. But anyways, I will see that a 6 to 7 years old boy was getting beaten up, and it was Naruto obviously, with the help of a single jutsu. And it was a jutsu, you can say that, wind style, wind bullet, because that's one of my favorite, and I could do those jutsus quite easily, as my mind was telling me that these hand signs will done it, as these bullets will hit some of the people and they will run away thinking that I'm a shinobi or an Ambu from Hokage, and they don't want to be captured by the hands of Hokage as they ran away. And I will see that it was Naruto as I thought it would be. And Naruto will be surprised to see that someone helped me, because he often beaten up by the villagers here and no one has ever helped him. But I will pick Naruto up and then went towards Naruto house, as Naruto will ask me who I am. So I will reply that I am AR. You can call me AR Sensei or AR Senju, as Naruto will be surprised because even though he's stupid and dumb, he still knows that Senju clan is a clan something. But anyways, I will left him to his house and he will thank me and enter into house. And now it is time for me to think what to do. I definitely cannot stay with Naruto because Ambu are here and they will catch me. So I have to rely on forest for now. So I went into the forest, still thinking what to do. But then something came into my mind. Well, I can use wood style obviously, being a Senju, as Fu gave me that power. So I will use the wood style in deep forest, not wanted to be catched by other people, and made a wood house so that I can stay there and I am around the forest so that I will get the food as well. So I will start to make plans how I can become a part of the hidden leaf village and will not be put into CRA, and that is not my style at all. Getting a harem or thing like those in real life, I don't even like that, but still. But anyways, after thinking a lot harder, I will finally come up with a plan, as I will tell Third Hokage that I am one of the survivors of Senju, that my parents did not knew that, but when I awoken my wood style, I realized that I was a Senju. So I came to this village so that I can be a part of this, because this village was founded by Senjus. So, and if they try to put me in a CRA, I can always threaten them that I will join some other village. So they will use a Senju, one of the last survivors, as well as someone who can use wood style, and I'm pretty sure that Third Hokage will not force me. So I finally made the plan, and then next morning when Hiruzen will be in his office, I will go there and told him the same story. First he will be shocked and did not believe me. Then I will use a little bit of wood style in the office. That will shock him even more, and now he has to believe my story. So he made a council meeting where all the council members are, and one thing more, Uchiha massacre has already happened, and Hiruzen will tell the whole story, and they will be also surprised to see that there are other Senjus other than Tsunade. So they will try something that I was afraid of. They will try to put me in CRA, but I will threaten them the same way that I don't like that, and if they even try, I will join some other village and their village will lose the great weapon of wood style, and they had to agree with me for now, especially Danzo, who obviously want me in his route Ambu, but I'm not going there definitely. But anyways, as Third Hokage will test my skills, and surprising even myself, I will be of a Jonin level, as sudden jutsus will pop up in my mind, such as Flying Raijin and as well as Rasengan and several jutsus. I will also be shocked because I don't even know that what food did, but I'm here So I should stay here for some time, and I'm pretty sure that when I will return to my home, I will be 2 or 3 hours sleeping. But anyways, I started to do as I will be made a Jonin and news will spread quite quickly that I am a Senju and people will respect me for that. But anyways, I have to do my mission that I am here for because that's the only way Fu is going to let me go and I have to wait several years now until the war ends because I know that Naruto life is up to that and after that Baruto or movie then will start and I'm pretty sure that Fu will return me back to my home, the real world. But for now, as I will meet Naruto next day and he will realize that who I am and thank me once again. But I will told Naruto that well Naruto, mind coming with me as he will oblige and both of us will went to Ichiraku Ramen. Naruto will be happy to be there and I always wanted to try that as well. So I will go there to eat some Ichiraku Ramen after all and I will be surprised definitely how tasty ramen actually is and seriously guys I have never ever eaten ramen in my whole life as there would be several people watching this video who have not who have never eaten ramen in their life and I will try it sometime when I get the chance. But anyways, I will eat ramen and that will be delicious. I truly believe that. So I will told Naruto that I am appointed from third Hokage so that I can train Naruto so that he will become strong and can protect himself and Naruto will be happy. So next day. So not the next day, of course. Today I will start training Naruto and it will be my training as well because I definitely don't know what is going on here. I'm still trying to keep up. I don't even have mastery over wood style nor the other jutsus. These jutsus are just popping in my mind out of nowhere. But I will try my best there. So first I will tell Naruto about the chakra control because it is the basics of the ninja world. If you want to learn any jutsu there is, you first have to master your chakra control and I will teach Naruto surprisingly enough when I will try using chakra to walk on tree for my own good because if I was not able to do that it will be quite embarrassing to teach a kid and not knowing himself. But I will be able to walk on tree and tell Naruto to do that. But surprisingly enough, Naruto will not be able to do that as well because Naruto chakra control was even more worse this time as even after many years Naruto barely had any chakra control to even transform. But we have to make a different approach. So I will teach him low level chakra control techniques such as keeping a leaf on his head. I want to teach him shadow clones as soon as possible. So for you can say 2 weeks we will learn chakra control and finally Naruto will able to make barely he will able to transform and that will be the first jutsu he will be able to learn and then I will teach him further chakra control for 1 week and then I will teach him the multi shadow clone jutsus because I know that that's the technique I want to teach him first. For now for third Hokage don't have any missions for me as news is still spreading around the village and I have asked third Hokage to appoint me to teach the Jinchuriki of the Nine Tails and he obliged on that because he knows that the wood style has power to control Nine Tails. Even though I'm pretty sure that council will not agree to this and they will try to send me on different missions or try to train me or different things, but they will for now agree with me because they don't want to lose one of the last survivors of Senju clan after all who can even use the wood style. And as for Orochimaru, he is probably after my body. and I don't like that pedophile at all. So I will try to avoid him as much as I can. So I will also train in secret so that I can harness my power, and especially the shadow clone technique will probably help me a lot. So I will be training at the same time, not wanting to catch up by either Danzo, who will probably put me under the Shisui's Genjutsu, and Orochimaru, and I don't even want to talk about Orochimaru. That is super creepy. So, anyways, I will keep teaching Naruto. My main focus will be to teach Naruto three special things other than his normal jutsus, and that will be first Rasengan, second Flying Raijin, and third the Sealing Jutsus. These three jutsus made Minato so strong and gave him the name of Yellow Flash. He was a genius among geniuses in sealing jutsus, even surpassing Kushina. And I will probably give Naruto a sword, even though I definitely don't know anything about the swords. But I will try to teach him and try to learn as well, because Fu has given me a lot of powers and my body can keep up with that. So, and as for the photo that is in this thumbnail or whatever, I will definitely have a Jonin vest, not this clothes. So, I will be teaching Naruto for several times. After 1 month of chakra control, Naruto will be able to make the shadow clones as well as transformation jutsu quite well, and I will be impressed because after all the great we are all fan of Naruto is my student and we will bond a lot. So it will not be a father figure because I am still 16 or 15 in this what if, of course. So I will be, you can say, a big brother figure, and I honestly don't want to be a father figure in any series at all. So I will be a brother figure to Naruto, and I will start teaching Naruto even further, as I will definitely enjoy the company of Naruto as well, because he's quite funny person when you come to it. And after some time Naruto will introduce me to his friends Choji and Shikamaru. Shikamaru will be surprised because his father told him that there is another Senju that came out of nowhere, and he will be a little suspicious about me, but I will avoid him as much as I can because Shikamaru is a damn genius for his own good, and I don't want to be caught up by anyone. Even though there are less chances, but there are still chances. So, I will offer both of them to train with me time to time, and they will oblige to that because it is seems too fun for kids, of course, because when you see Naruto, Konohamaru and his friends often play ninja, so these kids who are still in the civilian academy wanted to train with me. So I will train all of them. For Shikamaru and Choji, it will obviously the chakra control, but for Naruto, he is going to learn the Rasengan. So I will give him the balloon, the first step, water balloons. So I will give him so that he can learn it, and in this time I will teach Shikamaru and Choji the chakra control. Shikamaru is still lazy, but he will be able to learn it in time, and Naruto will finally after 1 week will be able to pop the water balloon with his chakra with a single hand. And even though I know that Naruto has greater potential than this, but Naruto is still 8 years old and he's barely in the academy now. So I will be okay with it. He is not even 8. You can say that he is still 7 years old. So he will start his training even further, and I will give him the second balloon so that he can work on it. And in this time Shikamaru and Choji will be able to keep the leaf on their head. So I will teach both of them the tree walking, and after 1 week both of them will be able to do that. In this time I'm pretty sure that even Naruto will be able to do the second step of the water balloon because I can make shadow clones. So I will be able to teach all of them techniques at the same time, and even can teach myself because I have to avoid many people. And probably the five great nations are after me now because they want to kill the last survivor of Senju, otherwise the Konoha will have the Senju clan again. And I also have to avoid a lot of assassinating attempts as well as Danzo. And I'm seriously regretting that I have to choose Senju out of all people in this series, even now. But, anyways, it is done, so it cannot be changed, anyways. Naruto will finally be able to pass the second step, so it is time for the third step. And I will not tell Naruto the technique of shadow clones for now because there is a lot of time and Naruto can definitely use the Rasengan one-handed. In the meantime, Shikamaru and Choji will be able to walk on trees, and it is the next step of chakra control, and that will be water walking. And Naruto has already done it in his 1 month of chakra control practice. So both of them will be doing their water walking techniques. So, and one thing more, as I said, Uchiha massacre has already happened. So I don't exactly know that what will be the age of Naruto and Sasuke when then, but still they are now, they have already passed that age and they are definitely in academy as well. In this time I will forget one thing of teaching Naruto, the study thing, because I'm, even though I'm good at it, but I will definitely forget it. Who will not? First of all, I have 4 nations on my ass trying to kill me, and secondly, I have Danzo who is trying to get me under a Genjutsu, and third, there is Orochimaru who is sending his sound shinobi after me. So I have to do a lot of work here. I'm seriously regretting that I should have went to Dragon Ball Z world other than this world. But anyways, I will go there as well. So now the training goes on, and finally, now after 2 weeks of hard work, Naruto will finally be able to master the Rasengan, and he will do it one-handed, even though he will give me the idea of using the shadow clones and he will be able to make it, but I will deny that and tell him that the technique I want to teach him next, for that he has to master the Rasengan one-handed. So it will take Naruto some time, but I'm pretty sure that with my brilliant teaching he will be able to do that. But anyways, for the next step, Naruto has all mastered the Rasengan, and for Choji and Shikamaru, I will start to teach them transformation jutsu, as surprisingly enough, they will catch it quite easily. If Naruto can do that out of all jutsus, they can do it definitely. And I'm saying that because Naruto had very bad chakra control, and he was still able to do the transformation jutsu. And now these two, not even Ganin, the academy students, can also walk on tree and water, so they will be able to use it quite easily. And then I will tell all of them about the shinobi history from first Hokage to the third Hokage, and explain everything about Konoha and the other villages that I know, as I will tell them about the first Hokage Hashirama Senju and his friend Madara Uchiha, and also explain the story how the Uchiha clan and the Senju clan were first enemies, then Hashirama became friends with Madara when they were kids, and then after long fighting both of them came to a truce, and then they founded this clan. But Madara was taken over by the evil once again, and he left the clan. He left the village, and after some time he attacked the village, but Hashirama protected his people and killed off Madara. Even though I know that Madara is not dead and he is definitely planning a lot worse. So, but at this time I think that Madara is dead, because if Madara did not die, how can Sasuke born? Because Madara was the reincarnation of Indra. He has to die first, then Sasuke can born. I have seen many videos where they tell that no, Madara was not dead yet and he was planning something, and they made Sasuke the reincarnation of Indra at the same time. So these things are quite logical, and you guys have to take care of that. But anyways, Madara is dead, but Obito is taking the role of Madara for now. And for Shikamaru and Choji, I will try to teach them the Shadow Clone technique. But I will be careful about it because Shadow Clones were given the rank of Forbidden Jutsu for a reason, and these kids cannot perform the clones at all. The Shadow Clones definitely, but I will teach them the Clone Jutsu. And we will went to teach them the kunai and other things. As for Naruto training, because he has tremendous amount of chakra, I will start to teach him flying Raijin. And this training goes on until both three of my students went to the age of 10. As for now, as for my age, you can say that I am 15 when I arrived there. And now I'm 2 years old, so 17 I think. In this time, Third Hokage will also set me a lot of missions, but I will try my best not to kill many people. But because even though I have a lot of skills, I'm not a person killing people all around, as these ninjas or shinobis often kill a lot, and it did not affect them at all. So I will try my best not to kill a lot of people, but I will subdue them using my several thousand jutsus that Fu has given me. But anyways, as for the training, Naruto in these 2 years will finally able to learn the flying Raijin, and with the help of shadow clones it will be a lot easier. So in these 2 years he will master it quite well. You can say that low Jonin level Minato, when Minato was a low Jonin level, when as Minato uses the flying Raijin at that level, Naruto has learnt it, and he's working hard on it. And don't worry, I have not forgotten about Sasuke. I will try to approach him, but Sasuke is just an asshole, as well as just forget my word just as I said that, because I don't want to be demonetized. So just forget that word. But Sasuke is not a quite good person, especially around a Senju. He's not definitely not going to be trained by me. So he's going to have a lot of hatred, even more than canon. So, but anyways, what was I saying? As for the rest of time, I will go on several missions and teach my students a lot of things. As in this time, I will start to teach Naruto the sealing jutsus, and even surprising me, Naruto has a lot of talent on that. But it should not be a lot of surprise. Naruto just did not learn the sealing in the main timeline, even though he had to learn it at all cost, because he was a damn Uzumaki, and Uzumakis are known to have the sealing jutsus, and I don't even know that why he never learnt it, or Jiraiya did not taught him anything, because I know that Jiraiya was a seal master himself like Minato. In this time, I will tell Naruto that he was the Jinchuriki of the Nine Tails and explained everything. I will not tell him that who his father and mother were, but I will tell him that fourth Hokage chosen him because he had full faith in Naruto that he can befriend Kurama and one day work with him to protect the world, and even I believe in him. These words I'm pretty sure that will make Naruto heart soft, and he will not grow any hatred toward the village or toward fourth Hokage or anything like that. As he said, okay AR sensei, as I will tell Naruto in all this time to contact with Kurama and talk to him as he's lonely, and I'm pretty sure that he did not like the life of being sealed away in someone else out of his own will. And even Kurama, the Nine Tails inside of him, will be shocked to hear those words, as I will be saying right, because none of the Bijus ever wanted to be sealed away in other people. So he will be shocked to hear this, but I'm good. I know. So, Naruto will oblige and try to make contact with Kurama. It will took him 1 month, but he finally able to do that. And in all this time, I was training him. I told him when he was 9 years old, and now for rest of 3 years, he will try to make contact with Kurama, and Kurama will give him some of his chakra like One Tails, barely, or the chakra he used against Neji, or even Orochimaru at the Chunin exam. But I will not let him use one or two tails states because it can often go wild and I have to capture him in my wood style, and I want him to get KCM as early as possible because it is good for him, good for me, good for everyone. So Naruto will finally went to 12 years old, and now it is time for the graduation exam. And I love to say that my students, three students, are going to be on top. Sorry Sasuke, you are on fourth. But anyways, the only advantage Sasuke will have that these three people are not quite good at learning or written exam, but still I will teach them the tactics or other things about the shinobi world and the history, so they will be quite good at it and they will make, you can say, Shikamaru can get easily A plus if he wants to, but he will get B, as well as Naruto, as well as Choji, because B grade I think that it make 80% or something like that. So they will be able to pass. As for the other exams, man, they are going to ace all the exams from Taijutsu to Ninjutsu, as they will be on the top. And the rookie of the year, I think that the competition will left to Choji and Naruto because with my training, I'm pretty sure that their kunai throwing, their taijutsu, ninjutsu, everything will be on top. Pardon me. And Sasuke, man, he's going to damn jealous about it. Honestly, I don't like Sasuke at all because he's way too emo for something like that. As I don't like his attitude as well. So he's not going to like this and at all. As for Shikamaru, you know him. Damn, I'm good with second place. As for the challenge, Shikamaru will not be in it. As for Choji, he will fight Naruto for the Rookie of the Year title, and Naruto will able to win because he has a lot of advantage. He can seal away the chakra of Choji if he wants to, as he has Flying Raijin as well as Rasengan, and he can also borrow the power of QB if he wants to. So he's going to win, as first position will be of Naruto, the Rookie of the Year. Second will goes to Choji as well as Shikamaru, and fourth will go to Sasuke, and Sasuke will be angry beyond belief. I try to offer him training, but no, Uchiha hatred or things like those, and I definitely don't like that attitude at all. Those who try to give me attitude, I just erase them from my mind and from my life as well, because I don't like people who show attitude to others thinking that they are the best just because they have something that others don't have, or they look down upon others. So, but still at some point I have to help Sasuke. I know it just. But for now, he is training on his own, good for him. So, Sasuke will be angry after everyone. But about to go, Sasuke, just expected to be, will challenge Naruto. Not for the title, because he was not on the second position to challenge Naruto. And but he will still challenge Naruto outside of the academy, and all the fangirls and everyone will be there. And but they know that Naruto is not a weakling and strong, but still, fangirls, especially Sakura, and she will be cheering Sasuke Kun, as well as Ino and all other, and this time I will teach Naruto how can Naruto be a lot of stupid because Hinata was just. And yeah, I almost forgot about Hinata. Let's just say that I gave her a little training as well. And Naruto and Hinata became good friends on that. I cannot say that they become boyfriend girlfriend just yet, but who knows? They might become sooner than in canon, of course. But I will give her some training so that she can be more confident and what other way to be around Naruto because that was her main weakness. So she will train around Naruto especially, and with my shadow clones it is a lot easy to train everyone. And in the meantime I will finally able to get the jutsus that I wanted. That will help me a lot. The Flying Raijin, the Sengun, those things I have, but I wanted the main mastery over the wood style. Who can challenge the wood style after all? I'm pretty sure that if Hashirama had full power in reanimation against Madara Rinnegan, he will be able to defeat him quite easily. Because one thing more, Hashirama never tried to kill Madara, but every time Madara fought Hashirama, he tried to kill him but never won against Hashirama, which means that Hashirama was always holding back even when Madara came with the 9 tails to attack the village. Hashirama even hold back his strength, but at the last moment he gave in and killed, supposedly killed Madara. But anyways, those are out of the points as Hinata is more confident and she could be the heiress of the Hyuga clan and she is stronger than her daughter. So she got the acknowledgement of her father, which gave her even more confidence. And that is good for her. After all, she is my student. So, anyways, it is time for Sasuke versus Naruto. Naruto will say that, Sasuke, you're not strong enough to challenge me. Not now. You should train first as Sasuke. This comment will make Sasuke even more angrier. And he said, you Uzumaki, you clanless bastard. That title, you do not even deserve the title of the Rookie of the Year. I am an Uchiha, elite Uchiha. Now fight me. As he will dash towards Naruto. But as for Sasuke, it is way too bad because I was training Naruto over 4 to 5 years and Sasuke sadly is not going to win at all as Naruto's speed will be outstanding. He will be dodging all the attacks of Sasuke quite easily, shocking everyone even though the titles as well as the headbands were given and they cannot change that Naruto is not the Rookie of the Year and Sasuke is not, but still Sasuke wanted to test his power specially, and then Sasuke will make some distance between himself and Naruto and said fire style, great fireball jutsu, and then Naruto said water style, water wall, and from the area around you can say that there is some water around the area and a water wall will be made. And the main affinity of Naruto was wind and second affinity was water because Kushina had water affinity. Almost all Uzumakis have, but I will teach Naruto some jutsus, random jutsus, wind style breakthrough, gale palm, wind bullets, water wall, water dragon, or things like those. Normal jutsus, not quite high, but not too bad. So then Naruto make hand signs and said wind style, wind bullet, and dash his wind bullets at Sasuke. Sasuke will try to dodge them, but some of them will hit him, and then Naruto will vanish as Sasuke will try to look around, and then he will met a Rasengan in his bag, which will slam Sasuke into the wall, and he will be almost knocked out as this will make his hatred grow even more, and then he will re-evoke more definitely his Sharingan. Okay guys, here I will love this part. Hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe. if you want me to continue this series, then I will do so. But for that, I want at least 1000 views. That will show me that you guys are liking this. Otherwise, you can also give me 120 likes on this video. That will also reassure me. So I will make more parts. And one thing more, I want to ask you guys, either they can be on my team, as team could be Naruto, Shikamaru or Choji and Hinata, or you want the same teams, and in that case I will not be sensei of any team, and Kakashi will be the one who will teach Sasuke, Sakura and Naruto. So it is up to you. Who do you want? Either they can be trained by Air Legends, or I can also be a part of Kakashi's squad. You can say a co-leader of the squad. So it is up to you. Just tell me in comments. So I will make it happen. But anyways, peace guys. Peace.